Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are looking at a quick and professional way to type actual Roman numerals in Microsoft Word. You could just use standard capital letters on your keyboard, but if you want the official single character Roman numerals for a cleaner document, here is the best method. Open your Word document and head to the Home tab. Change your document font to MS Gothic. This font is perfectly optimized for the specific characters we need. Next, navigate to the Insert tab at the top of your screen. Look to the far right, click on Symbol and choose More Symbols from the dropdown. A new dialog box will pop up. First, check that the font dropdown is set to normal text. Then move to the Subset dropdown menu and select Number Forms. Here, you will find a complete set of Roman numerals, available in both uppercase and lowercase formats. Click on the numeral you need, hit the Insert button, and it will immediately appear in your document. You can keep clicking and inserting multiple numerals without needing to close the window. When you are finished, just close the box. You can now highlight your Roman numerals to resize them, make them bold, or adjust their color, just like any standard text. That is all it takes to get properly formatted Roman numerals in Word. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to ClearTask for more fast, straightforward tutorials.